Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by creating an image plane directly on the camera so the reference stays fixed when you orbit. Select the camera, open the Attribute Editor, and under Environment click Create Image Plane File. Load your reference file and enable image sequence only for animated plates. Once done, set the image's aspect ratio to match the camera's film gate so proportions remain accurate. This places the file in camera space. That's why it's the only reliable method to keep the reference locked to renders. Now refine placement and visibility. Use size X and size Y plus center and offset attributes to scale and position the image precisely against your model. This lets you line up proportions without moving geometry. Increase depth slightly so the plane sits behind all scene objects and avoid flicker or Z-fiding when you orbit. Use alpha gain and color gain to reduce visual dominance while modeling, and enable display on selected camera only if you want it hidden in other views. Make sure the image matches the scene's orientation and resolution for accurate tracing. Finish by locking or making the image plane non-selectable so you don't nudge it during work. Orbit and test from the render camera. Render a quick frame to verify the reference appears in the final output. If your renderer doesn't show the camera image plane, create a flat polygon with the texture applied as a fallback and place it behind your scene. If the plane vanishes, check the cameras near /var clipping, ensure the image file path is correct, and verify alpha gain isn't 0. Those are the most common fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.